Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So I'm just gonna have a few items from my collection sitting here while I talk to you guys about the giveaway for reaching 2,000 subscribers. I'm so excited and grateful. I actually got to 2,000 in April after the Save the Crafty YouTuber, the YouTuber hop. So I didn't want to do the giveaway around the same time as them. So that's why I've waited until May. And since today, the 23rd, is my birthday, I wanted to put the announcement and put out the video about the giveaway today. So I'm just going to kind of move this stuff and show different things as I tell you about the giveaway itself. In light of current situations, I want to do a giveaway that would be the easiest, and people wouldn't have to worry about items actually coming from somebody else's house, and everything with the COVID going on, it's just easier. So I'm going to do a $25 gift card to Simon Says Stamp. It's actually one of the first websites that I found when I started crafting. And so I figured I would do the $25 gift certificate to them. And this is all you'll have to do is subscribe to my channel. You must be a subscriber. And then down in the comments, leave an idea or something that you would like to see done in a video, whether it be a technique, if you're interested in, I don't know, I don't do a lot with scrapbooks, but maybe I can, put in a tag or a scrapbook, or anything that you probably have been interested in and would like to see me try. Leave it down in the comments below. You don't have to worry about using USA or international, because as it's a gift card. It doesn't. I don't think it doesn't matter where you're located, okay? Because it'll make it really simple. And I'm leaving it just for YouTube. I'm not going to post anything on Facebook or anything on Instagram. I'm not really on Instagram that much. I do post here and there. I got to get better with it. But I figure most of the people who follow me on YouTube. And so that's why I want to use the comments from this video right here. So you're going to comment on this video. You're going to subscribe to my channel, and I will check to make sure you are subscribed when I pull the name. Okay. And then, of course, if you don't mind, like the video. And I just want to say, really thank you guys. Thank you for everyone who's been here from the beginning. It feels like it was yesterday. I was so excited. I had reached 300 subscribers. And then with the very first Save This Crafty YouTuber that Justine Hovey put together, I actually made my 1,000 subscribers. And I was so excited, and I just didn't think, I don't know, I just wasn't ready or expecting that I would be the 2,000 already. So this is super exciting, and I just want to give a little thank you, especially during these times. I know it's not a whole lot, but it's something you can treat yourself with, and it's going to be fun. So we're going to go over it again. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and in the comment, leave a technique or a video idea of something that you would like to see in future videos. I've done this before, and it helps because, sometimes creativity gets a little stale. And having ideas that you know your viewers would like to see is a great help for creating that new content to be of service to you guys. Okay, because I definitely want to create a community here, and hearing your input as far as what you're interested in seeing would definitely help me. So I'm just going to put this kind of back the way it was where I started. Okay. And just really, I don't know. There's so much I want to say, and it's like I don't want to take up all this video, but I just want to send you guys a big heart to say thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for being my loyal subscribers, hanging with me all this time. And here's to hopefully another 1,000 subscribers to come and another giveaway. Thanks you guys so much, and I hope you have a great weekend. Oh, I do want to tell you the giveaway will be open from now till the end of May for you to leave comments, and I'll share this video, but everything has to be done here on YouTube. So make sure you comment below, make sure you subscribe, and please, if you don't mind, make sure you like. All right, you guys, I promise that's the end. Have a good one.